Hello students, today we will learn about how to draw a pole zero plot for a given network function. So look at this, we will be plotting pole zero plot for the network function given as h of s is equal to 20 s plus 1 into s plus 5 upon s into s square plus 2s plus 2 into s plus 7. So we know that zeros are defined as those values of s which will make numerator of the given network function equal to 0. So here it can be clearly seen that if we substitute s is equal to minus 1 and s is equal to minus 5, the numerator will become 0. Therefore, the values of zeros are s is equal to minus 5 and s is equal to minus 1. Now we know poles are defined as those values of s which will make denominator of the network function equal to 0 and hence the network function itself infinity. Listen to me once again. The denominator will become 0 but network function h of s will become infinity. So look at this. You can clearly see that if we substitute s is equal to 0, the denominator becomes equal to 0. If we substitute s is equal to minus 7, the denominator can be 0. Or if we find out the roots of s square plus 2s plus 2, then also we get to know the other two values of s which will make the denominator 0, and those values can be s is equal to minus 1 plus j in this case, or s is equal to minus 1 minus j in this case. So this can be found out by taking s square plus 2s plus 2 is equal to 0 and then finding roots of this equation. So now look at this. So look at this graph. Herein we have plotted all the zeros and poles. So look, s is equal to minus 1 is plotted at the location minus 1 on the complex plane or s plane. We call it s plane, where sigma is shown on the horizontal axis and j omega is shown on the vertical axis. So zeros are represented by the notation of circle. Look at this carefully. Another 0 at the location s is equal to minus 5 is shown with a circle. Now we will plot all the poles. We know that one pole is at s is equal to 0. So poles are denoted by the notation x, or you may call it cross. So look at this, a cross is shown at the origin to denote the pole s is equal to 0. Another pole is at s is equal to minus 7. So it is shown at s is equal to minus 7. Now we want to plot the other remaining two poles, minus 1 plus j and minus 1 minus j. Look at this, minus 1 plus j can be located over here and is plotted with the notation cross. Minus 1 minus j can be plotted over here. So I hope we learned how to plot a pole zero plot. Thank you.